Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. I'm so excited for this video guys because it will be the first videos that I will be tackling one of the problems that you might face during 3D printing. So let's get started. So I'm so sorry guys at the beginning because I did not upload any videos in the last 10 days or something because I had some problems with my nozzle and it's completely worn down right now and the print quality is very bad. As you can see here, this is one of the examples. It's very bad print quality with the layers visible and it looks absolutely bad. So I'll make another video on how to replace a nozzle and diagnose a bad nozzle, but that's a future video, so let's get right into this video. So today we will be talking about under extrusion. So I'll show you some of the bad prints that might have under extrusion in them. As you can see, right in this 3D benchy, you can see a lot of under extrusion right here at the top, on the sides, right down here, and also if you poke your fingers through the side, you can actually push your fingers through it and break it completely. Also, one of the other prints is also broke right here. And I have a ton more examples of under extrusion and prints that got wasted due to under extrusion. As you can see, this print did not even print because of under extrusion, and there's more and more examples of prints that did not even print due to under extrusion. Here is more prints, more failed prints. It's very disappointing, but guys, 3D printing is a very fun hobby, and I'll make another video about talking about is 3D printing worth it or not. So also you can see here this print completely broke right here, layer separations and stuff. The print is really flexing. As you can see, we have more under extrusion right inside there. It looks really bad guys. As you can see, the top of this print is absolutely awful. So these are all broken prints. Now let's take a look at some good prints. So here guys, I have a good benchy. It's very strong guys, it feels like a rock, and you have no under extrusion anywhere on the print. The quality is not great. I'll make a video on that in the future, but the print is very solid. Now here is another print that did not finish to the top because I stopped it because my measurements were wrong, but checking the layers, it looks very good. No under extrusion. These are some pen marks for my holes to drill. So as you can see, no any under extrusion. The print is very nice and rugged. As you can see, it flexes a little bit because of my design. It's meant to do that, but if you pull on it hard, it won't break. Also, some more good prints right here. As you can see, no any kind of under extrusion marks on the layers. As you can see inside of the print, everything looks really good. So now, enough talking about 3D prints in physical objects. Let's turn on my 3D printer and start working with software. So the first cause that might cause under extrusion and result in issues like this is your Hotend and extruder not assembled the correct way. So actually, this is very common. Under extrusion is very common, so don't feel sad or don't feel that your machine is not functioning properly. No, it's a very common issue on much of even the more expensive 3D printers due to tuning issues and assembling issues. So the first step right here is get a screwdriver and get into your extruder assembly and look for any loose screws. So this was my problem, and as you can see, this is the after the fix, you know. So here's the before, the 3D benchy with all this little under extrusion issues, and here's the after this benchy with no any kind of under extrusion, and this one is very weak. This one is just strong. You can see my nail is bending, but it's not even breaking. The second problem that might cause under extrusion is you are printing too fast. So as you can see here, I was printing at 70 millimeters a second at 195 on the nozzle, and these both settings did not really match very well. So it came out as a very bad print, and it looks really bad. Same right here, it starts printing and then it fails because the nozzle cannot keep up with the amount of filament flowing through it. So the third reason that might cause under extrusion is your flow rate. It's related to your slicing software, and this makes a difference between a successful print as it has no visible layer lines and very good quality, and a completely failed print. Flow rate can be adjusted through your slicing software, whether it's Cura or Simplified 3D, and it's very easy actually to do, so let me show you the steps. So you open your slicing software, you search at the top for flow rate, and you have the initial layer flow rate and the printing flow rate. Adjust them until you get them right. So these guys are the very common reasons for under extrusion. As you can see, the befores and afters. Here are the after, and here is the before. Complete failures on this side, and as you can see, success on that side. Also, you can see here more under extrusion marks and stuff, and it's a very bad looking print. More failures right here. Don't be mad, guys. You will end up with a lot of this stringing issues and failures like that. Don't be mad, guys. 3D printing is very fun, and I hope you give it a try if you are not into it. And thanks, guys, for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for any questions or video ideas, and I will see you in the next video.